In a significant moment of geopolitical tension, the world observed an unprecedented development in Middle Eastern conflict. Iranian hypersonic missiles illuminated the sky over Al-Aqsa Mosque, a symbolically charged site. This display of military might underscored the growing capabilities of Iran's missile program. During this missile and drone strike, Iran succeeded in circumventing Israel's vaunted Iron Dome defense system. These hypersonic projectiles, launched directly from Iranian territory, reached various targets within Israel, including a strategically important Israeli airbase. This marked the first successful breach of Israel's advanced defense systems, leaving an indelible mark on global perceptions of regional power dynamics. Only 6 months later, on the night of October 1st, 2024, Iran launched a larger and more coordinated missile assault, increasing both the quantity and precision of its strikes. This new wave of attacks, orchestrated by the Iranian Revolutionary Guard, targeted key Israeli infrastructure, further intensifying the geopolitical significance of the event. According to experts from institutions such as the Stimson Institute and a former NATO arms control director, this second strike fundamentally altered the balance of power in the Middle East, signaling a new era in regional security and conflict dynamics. Iran's missile program, despite decades of sanctions and international efforts to curtail it, has progressed at a remarkable pace. The country's ballistic missiles, often lauded for their accuracy, have become a key feature of its military arsenal. These missiles can reach distances of up to 2,000 kilometers, placing not only Israel but a wide swath of the Middle East within striking range. This growing missile capability has sparked increasing concern among Western nations, Israel, and neighboring Arab states, all of whom fear the potential for these missiles to carry nuclear warheads or other advanced payloads. Despite long-standing sanctions imposed by the United Nations Security Council, beginning in 2006, when international measures were implemented to block Iran's access to nuclear-related materials and conventional arms, Iran has forged ahead with its missile development. Over the years, Iran has developed more than 50 types of rockets, ballistic and cruise missiles, and military drones, many of which have been deployed in global conflicts such as the ongoing war in Ukraine. The origins of Iran's missile program can be traced back to the 1980s during the Iran-Iraq War. At the time, Iran's military was outgunned by Iraq, particularly in terms of long-range missiles. In response, Iran launched an aggressive initiative to build its own missile arsenal, starting with the acquisition of 30 Scud-B missiles from Libya in 1985. Under the leadership of figures like Hassan Tehrani Moghadam, Iran's missile program quickly advanced. By reverse engineering these missiles and through partnerships with North Korea and China, Iran managed to build a robust missile program, despite its isolation from international arms markets. Iran's Revolutionary Guard now oversees a network of missile bases, many of which are hidden underground in fortified complexes. These underground facilities, some first revealed in 2014, are scattered throughout Iran and house a wide range of missiles, from short-range rockets to advanced long-range ballistic missiles. While much of this missile infrastructure remains veiled in secrecy, Iran's missile tests and military displays have made it clear that the nation intends to maintain and expand its strategic military advantage in the region. The development of these hypersonic missile capabilities has significant implications for the broader geopolitical landscape of the Middle East. Iran's missile launches over the Dome of the Rock were more than just a military assault. They symbolized a bold assertion of Iran's growing influence and its ability to challenge its adversaries, both near and far. The message was clear. Iran's military capabilities have reached new heights, and its missile systems can now strike at the heart of Israel in just minutes. This display of hypersonic missile technology highlights a critical shift in regional power dynamics, signaling a new era of heightened tensions and the potential for far-reaching consequences in the Middle East. We hope you find it enlightening. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more insightful contents. And we look forward to seeing you in next video.